In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT in Xero. We'll walk through the exact place in Xero where you control your VAT setup, and we'll make sure your tax basis is set correctly so your VAT reports line up with how you actually do your accounting. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. Find the option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This is where Xero keeps most of the tools related to your financial records and tax settings. Once the accounting menu is open, you'll see a list of options. Look for Accounting Settings. Click on Accounting Settings to open the area where you can adjust how your accounts and taxes are configured. This page controls important behind-the-scenes rules for your organization, so it's worth knowing where it is. On the Accounting Settings page, you'll see a few different sections. What you're looking for now is Financial Settings. Go ahead and click Financial Settings. This is the section that controls how Xero treats your financial information overall, including how VAT is handled for your reports. Inside Financial Settings, find the section labeled Tax Basis. This is critical for VAT because it tells Xero whether to calculate your VAT based on when invoices are issued or when cash is actually received or paid. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct organization and financial year if those options are visible, then focus on the tax basis field. Now, click on Accrual Basis. Choosing Accrual Basis means VAT will be calculated when invoices and bills are raised, not when the money moves in or out of your bank. Many businesses use accrual accounting because it gives a clearer picture of income and expenses in the period they relate to. If this matches how your business reports VAT to your tax authority, this is the right choice here. If you're ever unsure,